Hi there, welcome to our channel Fleetech. In this video, we'll talk about how to use Venmo for business. So for this, visit venmo.com/business start. So here, what you need to do is click on Get Venmo. From here, we have three options. The first one is personal, then we have teen, and then we have business. Choose the one that you want to go with. So as we want to go with business here, so I will choose business. Scroll down to the end and there you will find the option of create. Click on create your profile and from here enter the phone number and then click on send code. They will send a confirmation code on that number. Enter the code here and then click on confirm. Once the code is confirmed here, then you will be directed to this page. Now you need to enter your first and last name, the email address and enter a password and then check this box and click on next. So in this way your Venmo for business will be registered and you can log in with your account and then you can start using Venmo for business. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.